So I found a listing on Facebook for free metal, and it shows these two collapsing buildings, and I asked if there were any toilets that they didn't need anymore, and he said the place has 2 bathrooms, and if there are any toilets that I could take them. So right off the bat, I see part of a beige toilet, so I'm hoping that that isn't one from one of the buildings. Looks like there's another part right here. Huh, it's got the date on it. Well, that sucks, but it doesn't look like it was anything good. So I'm gonna start with this one right here. I found the bathroom. It looks to be accessible from the other side. So there's one. I'm gonna see if I can figure out what it is. It's broken, whatever it is. I think it's a Mansisa toilet, like one of those mobile home toilets. So let's check it out. Yeah, that is pretty broken. I don't think it's worth trying to get that one out. Oof. So I'm gonna move over to the other side. This place looks like it's not been used in some time, so I'm surprised there's a toilet that's that new. Looks like they cleared out some stuff already. So I imagine that was probably the toilet from right there, so I think that's all for this building. I am going to keep looking though, because there might still be something. Sorry if the camera's shaky. I'm kind of tripping over stuff. So, doesn't really look like there's anything over here, and I don't think I can get to it. But I'm gonna go over to the other building now, and don't worry about me stepping on nails. These are steel toes. So over here, this place looks a little nicer. What I mean by that is it's not as collapsed. Doesn't look like much in here. Looks like just garbage. So I'm gonna go in from the other side so I don't have to climb over all that stuff. I'm not sure what either of these places were, but they don't look like houses. Shovel. And there's a hat and a shoe. Kind of weird. Let's hope there's something in here that's worthwhile. Lots of bottles. Well, I'm assuming the bathroom is over here. Let's see what the sign says. McAfee's Bike and Repairs. I'll try the other side. Looks like there was a tub here at one point. Don't know why they'd have a bathtub in a place like this, but I don't see any toilet. I'm gonna walk to the back, and if I don't find anything in here, then I'm going to call it a day. I'm not gonna get that Mansisa toilet. Looks like a car light right here. Any of you car enthusiasts want to figure out what kind of car that's from, by all means. Don't know what that little section was right here. Oh, there's an entrance to our little forgotten bathroom here. So that was not a tub, that was a sink. And I assume the toilet, yep, would have been right there. So that's kind of disappointing, but I'm not all that surprised. I guess Mr. McAfee took his toilet with him when he left. Ooh. Okay, let's see if there's anything over here. Someone's house, I guess. Makeshift house. Well, I did find a toilet on the way in. It was on the other side of the street when I was driving over, so I'm gonna go back and look at that on the way out. I'm just gonna walk to the end of this stuff real quick. Doesn't look like anything interesting, just garbage. Oh, there's a toothbrush holder. Joy. Then a couple of light bulbs. This one looks like it's still good. Huh. That's cool. Wonder how much it'll cost to tear all this stuff down. Medical equipment, nice. Oh, is that laxatives? It is. Good thing I don't see any aftermath of those. So, looks like all that was here was just that one Mancisa toilet and the parts of that other one. So, I'll make my way out of here, and if I find any more hidden bathrooms along the way, I'll make sure to show them. But it does not appear that there's anything or any toilets that are worth getting. This light bulb's cool though, so I'll take it. Oh well. At least I tried. Oh, there's a credit card.